In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MetaMask extension not working on Mrs. Browser. So the first thing you want to do is you want to, of course, open up your Mrs. Browser, and then you want to go to extensions at the bottom. So it's going to be the puzzle icon. And here you can see I have the extensions. So you want to click on extensions, not on the specific one, but where it says extensions. Click on that, and over here you'll see all your extensions. Now, what you should do over here, the first thing you can do to try and fix the issue is just basically turn off MetaMask. So you want to press on the button at the bottom right of MetaMask, which is kind of the toggle button, which can go gray or blue. So make it gray, and then you want to close down your browser, and then you want to open it up again, and then click over here to make it blue again. Now, after you've done this, you want to just try in case MetaMask works. Now, if it does work, that's great, but if it doesn't, what you should do is just click on remove over here, and this is going to remove the extension, and then you want to go back inside the Chrome store, and you want to add it again by clicking add to Chrome button over here, and then you can just do it by clicking OK, and then it's going to get added again, and hopefully this time it's going to work, because usually all it takes is another reinstall or just disabling and enabling of the extension. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.